How to use Revolut abroad. When using Revolut for payments abroad, you can make transactions with your physical debit card or virtual card as if you were back home. If you have holdings of the local currency, you'll simply pay the vendor like a local. If you only have holdings in foreign currency, then Revolut will handle the currency exchange using the real exchange rate. For example, if you have USD holdings on Revolut and spend while in the EU, then your dollars will be converted to euros at the point of sale. As long as you stay within the £1 per month monthly currency exchange limit, there are no fees to worry about. If you go over the limit, there's a fair usage fee of 0.5% and weekend surcharges may apply. However, with the Revolut Metal plan, there is no spending limit. For person-to-person payments within the Revolut network, there are no monthly limits. Enjoy free transfer with other Revolut users. You can request and send money or split bills with friends using the Revolut app too. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.